Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. Bienvenidas otra vez a mi canal. Mi nombre es Ashley. If this is your first time here, make sure you do subscribe on the bottom of this page. Make sure you do turn that bell notifications to get notifications every time I upload a new video. And before you leave, make sure you do follow me on my social media, Makeup Artist 27. And be sure to give it a thumbs up if you do like the video. Let's just go ahead and get started. Well guys, it is February, the month of love and friendship, because it's not only love, it's also for friendship. So on today's video, I am going to be doing a little Valentine's makeup in honor of Valentine's Day. In honor, I don't know if that's a thing. I don't know, just a fun look for Valentine's, something that you can wear too for Valentine's Day, little date night. And yes, I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna just show the face. I'm going to just show the eyes look. I'm gonna give you the products I use for the face, but I'm not gonna show you what I use. I'm trying to get more quick on videos and just eyes, and that's it for a couple of them. If you want to see face routine, trying new makeup, stuff like that, then I'll do face, like highlighters and stuff like that. But for now, I'm gonna give you just the eye look, and I'll give you the details on what else I use for the rest of the face. That way it's a little bit quicker. I wasn't sure what palette to use because there's so many palettes that I have that have like Valentine vibes. Like I was going to use Jawbreaker from Jeffree, but then I'm like, maybe I should use the new one. I have the Anastasia collaboration with Amnesty, and I haven't used the palette. I wanted to give you guys a little review, but what I'm just gonna do like a makeup look and see how it goes. Cause I just saw like the glitter glitter in there, like the pink and the light pink and the fuchsia. I was like, I kind of like that, so I want to use those two colors. But I'm gonna just give you a little overview of the palette. Not overview, but you know, it's Anastasia Really palette. The top of it's so pretty. I fell in love. It's light pink glittered, and I love pink. If you don't know that, I love pink, and I love how it looked, and I decided to purchase it. It's always the same shades, which is 16 shades for $48 something dollars, something like that. I'm not sure, but I purchased in, where did I purchase at? I think it was Sephora, or no, I did Sephora. Yeah, I did Sephora, but those two shades in there, like this pink and the light pink, I love it. So that is so pretty, and I want to use that. And yes guys, this is how we got. This is what we got. I was trying to take the mirror thing. Alright, so I'm gonna let's just go ahead and get started. So let's prime the eyes. I use Kylie Jenner concealer because it's the closest thing I have here right now. I'm gonna blend that. Alright, now I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead. I'm using JS6, and we're gonna start with the color Simsa. Just that burgundy kind of look. Let's see, what do I want? What do I want? I'm gonna go ahead and do the same on the other eye. I'm going to use 1988. 1988, that one right there. And we're going to put that on the outer corner. Right there. Maybe this one works. This is like a concealer brush. I'm gonna try and use this to cut the crease. I'm using the Anastasia primer. That is not comfortable. Alright, I am back. I cut the crease. Look at that. Look at that. Super, super cute. Now, I'm going to go for... I'm trying to use the pink brushes, you know? I'm going to use Resi, that beautiful glitter pink, hot pink. So pretty. Let's see how it is without like spray, just dry. If not, we're just gonna use a little bit of spray. It's so pretty. So pretty. All right, I'm gonna use the spray just to give it like a little wet. I like the spray more. Oh yeah. Pops the color a little bit more. Let's do the other eye. Now I'm gonna use Cupcake. I was not gonna use this, but it looks so pretty. It's like a lighter, kind of like pink, kind of like a lilac shimmer. I want to use it before I use the other light pink. It looks so pretty. Just gonna use a little bit, just a little bit. It's like a tiny line. Yeah. I'm going to use Barb, like Barbie, I guess, which is the lighter pink right there, which is so beautiful. It's like kind of like a two-tone glitter. And we're gonna put that in the inner corner. gonna take the little brown and just fix the side of it, because I like you need to blend the two. This is how we're looking. I'm gonna finish the rest, like my foundation and stuff like that, blush and everything else, and I'm gonna come back for the bottom and the lipstick. So I'll be back. I am back, guys. And I'm gonna tell you what I use on my face, that way it's all clear now. So foundation, I used Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation. This is the shade 355 N. It's a little bit yellow on me when you put it, but I guess it oxidizes a little bit, so it starts like really yellow and then it just gets better. So concealer, I use Infallible L'Oreal. This is the shade 360 Cashmere. I'll show you guys everything. To seal that concealer, I use the Becca Hydra Mist powder, Set and Fresh powder. It's super good. I'm starting to like it. Before I was like, what the heck is this? But I'm starting to like it. For blush, I use the Anastasia blush trio, and I kind of combine these two pinks right there. For highlighter, I use Princess Please from Kylie Cosmetics, and it's looking super bomb. And what I'm gonna do now is use that same highlighter, and we're gonna a little bit on the inner corner. Let's see how this one looks. I don't know if this is a good idea for the inner corner, but oh yeah, super pretty. Super cute. For the bottom, I'm going to be using Semsa. Use that burgundy. That's the only thing I see that I can use. I'm gonna do this Big Ego mascara from Tarte. So I'm done. All we have is lipstick, and I'm using color Diva from Jeffree Star, which is a little hot pink vibe. You need like a hot pink. To set it off, let's just use pink because it's Valentine's. This is a fan because I don't have my fan. Well guys, that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you do like the video, and don't leave without subscribing because there's gonna be surprises soon. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope to see you guys on my next video.